Thanks for checking us out. I'm Donald Williams with 3D International. Appreciate you guys taking the time to check us out on our launch of our brand new K53 SLP. Now this is our light cutting to moderate polishing pad. Be able to cut out your light scratches, some swirl marks, towel marks, different things. It'll do quite a bit of work and give you a high gloss and a high polish. Now these pads are unique as far as they are a spider pad. This is a unique foam. It's allowed to be a little more versatile. The spider pattern gives you about 15% more cutting ability out of the foam that you want, so you can be able to get a foam that has a finer finish with a little bit more correction out of it. Now you want to take, just like any of the other pads that you'll see in another segment, on when you want to break in a pad, you definitely want to take it, put it on, get a decent little rotation, and see you'll have some of this here, and that's some of the foam that just needs to be broken into. It'll break in eventually without having to do this, but if you want to get it right out of the package and get it started right away, you want to just break it in quick with a stiff nylon brush. Turn on low speed, break it in. So then what happens is a lot of these cells start to open, so then it'll grab more of the product and it'll work a little bit easier hand in hand. Now we're going to take and cut out some scratches here using this pad. Again, I said it's very versatile, and we're going to use it with the 501 heavy cutting compound. We're going to take and put a little bit on here, and then what I want to do is give you a good little tape box so you can see the correction that we're going to do here. Now this is aftermarket clear, so it's a little bit rougher than some of your regular standard OEM clears. Go ahead and put this down. Do 4 little drops here. Take it, leave it on about 2.5. I think that this is a bit slower as far as the RPMs go. I think it's below 1,000. We're going to go ahead and lock this in. Go back and forth, nice, slow, easy going motions here. We don't have to go too fast. You definitely don't want to on something with this machine like this PE14. You don't want to sit in one spot. You don't have a whole lot of room for mistakes. Go ahead and do one more quick pass here. You can see the depth of the cut that it gives you and the gloss even just with the compound here. You can wipe it down. There you go. Got a nice gloss, some light scratches taken care of, and then we'll be able to move into this bad boy here if we want to do a little bit more, create a little bit more shine here. Your heavy scratches are gone. Got a couple of the deep scratches that are there. You'll want to check that out and be able to how to remove those with the K53 SDP to remove some of your heavier scratches. We can take this same foam pad, again I said it was very versatile, cut this in half. And we'll go with the 505 correction glaze. Now this was these two pads, kind of a match made in heaven. You get good correction and a high pop and shine. Use a little bit. Use on that same pad. Don't worry about combining the two products. You're gonna get one helping the other here. Those are nice and easy here. Go get a little bit more gloss to that. See a nice distinct line here. Get a nice great shine. Easy to clean out when you're done. Just take, because they're very durable. You don't have to wash them, especially with using a 3D chemical. Turn them on. Give it a nice brush out with a nylon brush here. Try not to get to the middle. You get to the middle, you take a chance because there's a square in there of cutting out that middle, but still works just the same. So give it a little break in. Clean it between polishes if you like, and you should get a good, nice, long-lasting pad here that'll be able to do all the work that you need to, expecting out of a medium to heavy cutting pattern. This will be able to remove, again, a lot of your scratches. It'll be kind of your go-to pad in your arsenal if you're looking for something that you're not quite sure if you want to do heavy cut or just a polish, maybe a great one-step pad. This pad's for you. We appreciate you taking the time. Check us out on 3D Products. Make sure you follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, all those things to keep up to date with all 3D's latest and greatest innovative car care products. Till next time, I'm Donald Williams. We'll see you soon.